What's going on, boys and girls of the internet? Good morning again today, and welcome to another video. Today is a Dodge Journey. Yeah, 2014. Let me check that window sticker. Yeah, 2014 Dodge Journey, front wheel drive with the V6. Looks like she ate a pole. Ouch. Doesn't look like it was a fun ride. But let me show you something that bothered me with this car before we get into a full walk around. You ready for this? You see that, right? They clearly ate a pole or a tree. I mean, you can't get any more obvious than that. That perfect circular curve. Anybody who's ever seen a car hit a tree or a pole recognizes that right there. Tell me I'm wrong. That's definitely a pole or a tree, a parking pole, something. You don't rear end a semi and look like that. And this is the part that bothers me. Airbags. And lack thereof. They didn't deploy. Nothing out of the seats. Nothing out of the pillars. Nothing out of the corner of the dash. Nothing out of the top of the dash. Nothing out of the passenger side compartment. And of course the steering wheel. Nothing deployed. Why? I mean, I'm sure there's a uncoincidental series of events that can happen or occur to make you hit a pole or make you hit something and the airbags not go off. For example, if the engine was not running, or yeah, that's about all I can tell you. If the engine was not running or something along those lines. However, this car, I'm positive, had to have been moving, because other than a little bit of quarter panel damage, there's really nothing to indicate that they were hit hard enough in the rear to push the car into a pole. Like I said, I see the quarter panel damage, and that could have been from when they went skidding off the road and broke the wheel off. So you can see the wheels hanging. Lost control, went around, clipped a curb in the rain. You know, there's a whole bunch of things that could have happened. But none of the airbags deployed. And I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comment section below what you think could have happened to cause the airbags not to deploy. But anytime you're in a front-end collision like this, I would definitely assume the airbags should have deployed. There should be some sort of fail safety in case you rip a wire or crush a module. There should be something to make those airbags come on regardless of the accident. I mean, like here's a main power plug with a wiring harness across the front. Look at severed wires. And these severed wires could be the entire reason the airbag didn't go off. But think of the risk that's putting you at. And I'm sure someone's like, well, that could happen with any car. But I feel like a lot of other car companies have things implemented in place so that that doesn't happen. If a wire was broken and a short is started, then there should be another loophole. I mean, we get lots of cars in here that are wrecked. You know, this is what we do. Lots of cars. And normally, anytime they're in a front-end accident of this nature, we have airbags deployed, at least one. But we've got nothing. And it's full of trash, go figure. God, this smells just like the inside of my mom's Charger. Not like the dirtiness, like the leather, like the smell of the leather. She keeps her car really clean, but I don't know what it is. These new Dodges, the material that they use, I guess, it just has a very distinct smell. Like, it doesn't smell bad at all in here. It just smells like the leather. But no airbags. Found the bumper. There's the bumper. I don't think we can open the... Oh, maybe? Nope, it's power lift gate. Can't do anything. It's got dual exhaust on it though. Pretty neat. But yeah, 2014 Dodge Journey wrecked. Let's see if there's an oil change sticker. Figure out the miles. It was due for its next service next month, and it had 95,000 miles on it. Or its next service was due at 95,000 miles, so that sucks. And it was serviced at Roseville Chrysler Jeep in Roseville, Michigan? I don't know. Let's see where that is. Get out the almighty internet here for a second. What was the name of that place? Alright, let's see. Yep. Roseville, Michigan. Boop. Roseville, Michigan. And there's the Roseville Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram place. Right there. Cool. Alright, so that's where that's from. Boom. 2014 Dodge Journey. No airbag deployed though. Maybe it's because it wasn't hit far enough on this side, but wouldn't you think it would have popped from the passenger side? I don't know. Somebody get Sam Crack on this and have him elaborate on why the airbags didn't deploy. Sam Crack, why didn't our airbags deploy? Was it the rate of speed? Was it some loss of control and the impact started here maybe, or what? I don't know. You tell me. I just would have assumed it would have popped airbags. Huh. Oh well, that was just my question. You let me know what you think. Figured I'd just show you this real quick. Yeah, new arrival. Dodge Journey. Y'all kept saying, man, y'all are getting some new stuff in here. Don't worry, old crap will be in here again soon. We're just having a decent couple months here is all it is. Yeah, but explain something to me. Huh? Right. They must have hit a pole or a tree or something, correct?
Yeah.
No airbags deployed. Not one airbag deployed. Why?
Because Dodge, I guess.
I mean, the impact is clearly in the front of the vehicle, offset towards the passenger side. Clearly had enough force to bend the front bumper support, radiator, the hood, all that. Airbags should have deployed, right? But they didn't. Nothing did. Not one airbag.
Well, that may go because it's right there on that side where a sensor should be.
Right.
I don't know. Maybe it's fixed for the
Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, youtube.com/MSguy95. I'm going back in here. It's about time for lunch.